follow the recommendation to maintain a 6-foot or 2-meter physical distance from others. The program at BC Ferries will prioritize loading.
Okay, we're going to Victoria. Look at all those mountains. It's really, really far down. This is the only place you guys can kind of hear me. I think there's no like wind noise, but yeah, we're on the ferry right now, and soon we're gonna go to Victoria. We're gonna go crabbing and other different things that whatever I do there I'll film. So yeah, I'll catch you guys somewhere around the islands next to Victoria. Finally, we're here. Look at this. All these like water. It's like we're turning around right now to park. Okay. Look, guys, we found a Pacific jellyfish. I'm quite sure that is, but it's dead. So, guys, we woke up right now and we're gonna try finding another spot to camp because we're only reserved for one night on this spot. So, we need to go and find a new spot, because there wasn't any spots like the time we were reserving, so there was only one night available. It's about, oh wait, let me swipe, 7:05. So yeah, let's go find a new spot. Check this out, guys. Fishing on my little ice rod with a little tiny leader, a float, and some power bait on a little hook. So this is like something I do all the time. I just cast like in rivers. I just love rivers. I don't know why. Like, it's just power bait, floating it down like this. Fish will catch it on the way there. So you gotta go behind the rocks, behind like in those little pool eddies, and then let it drift there. You see there's kind of a pool there. That's where you want it to drift. So I'm gonna let it drift all the way from here to there and see if I catch anything. So we didn't catch anything. Guys, I just caught this. Okay, can it focus? Oh my god. Okay, let's look at that. Little sculpin. It's actually quite big, so oh my god, the hook pop. Even though it has a barb, for some reason it popped out so easily. Look at that, whip him. Look at that little sculpin. Check that out. Another one. Look at this. Like, it's so fun. Even though they're so small, they're so aggressive, and it's so fun to catch them. Sculpins. Oh. See, this is why you lip them. Lipping sculpins is like lipping bass, pretty much. Just because they have a massive mouth. See those little horns on him? Spikes, or whatever you can call them. So, you guys just saw, we didn't catch anything. Well, I caught some sculpins and stuff, and that was like super fun. But then, like, crabbing was terrible because, first of all, we almost every single cast, we never caught any crabs, and the ones we did, it was just tiny ones. But this spot is really, really good. We caught like 30 minutes, caught all our limit, massive Dungeness. So, the spot's very good, but today is just bad. So right now we're gonna go to the camp site, get some, maybe some shrimp and, oh no, something else, meat or something, fried on the campfire. Guys, so this is the shrimp, and it's quite big. See, that's my hand. I got my shrimp, and see how this one's in the core. So I took off the core from a couple of them. I'm gonna keep doing and taking off each one. Look at this, guys.
Уже съемка главное занятие.
They're good. Has 30, I think 20 or 30 minutes into cooking the meat. See right there, it's pretty nicely cooked already. So there's a lot of fat, so it still looks like it's not cooked, but in reality it is. We have some, it's called gyoza or something like that. It's like Chinese food or Japanese, I don't know. But some Asian food, I like Asian food. And then we'll also have our shrimp, 4 left because ate a bunch. See guys, the meat is already cooked. See, look at it. It's pretty good meat. Look at that, fully cooked. Oh yes. Lots of good pieces here. I cut it up and we're gonna taste test. Okay, let me do a taste test.
То, что мы готовили тут. Иди пробуй. Ну что, говно?
Mmm, really good.
Ну,
Really good.
знаешь, как вот продают грудинка.
Ham. It's like ham, but
Медленно
cooked.
запеченная. Да?
It's really good.
Slow cook.
Slow cook.
Генри, пробуй иди мясо. Быстро.
Really good. Really good.
Неплохое. Пробуй мясо.
Oh yeah.
Дима не хочет.
I'll take another piece.
Ну, уже поели. Что нам пробовать?
Оно не сухое.
Right now we're gonna go hiking on some trail or something. It's too boring here in camp. Well, I want to go on the river and hike, but my mom doesn't want to. She doesn't understand the river language.
На ночь.
Okay, guys, right now our goal is to get up there. I put on my fly, and it's a tiny one. That's my finger. So yeah, we're gonna be fishing for that. 2 little weights, split shots, and hopefully catch anything. Okay, guys, I found a little newt, and he is right. Wait, let me find him first. He's somewhere here. Oh yeah, he's right there. He's right there. You can kind of make out his shape right there. You can wait. Let me get my underwater camera. Guys, I still can't believe it, but I found a newt in this little pool. I knew I would find one here. But look at him. He's still in the same exact water. Nothing happened to it. I haven't even taken, well, I have taken him out of the water, but you see, he's super cool. I'm pretty sure this is a rough skin newt. So one of the most common. Okay, let me get, like, come on, get on my hand. Check that out. Rough skin newt. Oh my god, that's so sick. He like climbs on my hand and stuff. Super cool creature. Really cool. Check this out, little. Wait, stop. He's going the wrong way. He needs the water, not the land. Come on. Go that way. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Go. Go. Come on. He won't get it. Okay, I need to gently pick him up onto my hand. Carry him over to this pool. Send him down right there. Go on. Swim off into his own little pool. I forgot, guys, the exact name. I'm pretty sure it's the orange rough skin newt or something like that. But yeah, it's one of the most common species. Well, that's what I remember from Google and stuff. I research this stuff sometimes, but like, not a lot. I know that I'm not supposed to touch it, like, but I want to see it, and I'm not like hurting it by just gently getting it to get on my hand and stuff. So yeah, and then I put it back and stuff. Okay, quick break. Never touch any rough skin newts or any other salamanders, newts, whatever. Don't touch it without knowing. You're either going to kill yourself and the salamander or newt, or you're just going to kill the salamander or newt without knowing. If you're a parent, don't let your kids touch them. Just if you find one, leave it alone. Don't let your kids play with it. It's not like a toy. Don't play with live animals. It's just not funny. Like, it's not cool. Whatever. If you're taking it for food, which you shouldn't be, salamanders are not food. Frogs, if you're taking frogs for food, sure, get American bullfrogs or green frogs. Any invasive species, take as much as you want. I don't care. Just check the regulations before doing it. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. Just don't touch anything that's, you don't know what it is. I don't want to sound like some like nature protector, but like, I kill a lot of fish myself, but like, the point is, don't kill or touch anything that you don't know what's going to happen to it if you do certain things with it. So, don't touch any rough skin, just don't touch any newts or salamanders, period. Just don't. Only if you're a scientist or you know what you're doing.
Guys, check this out. I just caught a trout. Look at this. No absolute way. On the little fly. Dude, it bit it so hard too. Oh my god, oh my god. I promise I'm not letting it flop. Okay, look at that. Wait, I need to wet my hands. This trout's very sensitive from a really, really clean place. Okay, let me wet my hands. See, wet hands. Don't even try me, dude. Okay, check this out. Whoa, come on, dude. Like, you know, trout never stay still. It triggers me so hard. Oh, check that out. Check that little rainbow trout out. I think it's a rainbow, but oh my god, little fly. They love it down there. Okay, let's get a release shot. Look at this nice little trout. Revive him quickly. When he's ready, he'll just swim out of my hands. Oh, he's ready. Oh, he went down. Oh my god, look at that. I never thought I would catch anything out of here. Yes, guys, no way. I did not think I would catch anything in this whole trip. I caught a trout weighing the lens. I'm so happy, you have no idea. I caught a newt and a trout. Well, not caught a newt, but found a newt and caught a trout. No way. Fishing a tiny little fly, so sick. So yeah, guys, we have our little shrimp imitation fly. Tiny little thing, and pretty much, look, watch this. What a bummer, didn't see, I saw them, but I couldn't catch them. Couldn't even see the fish, so that's really weird to me, but yeah, great place, caught a bunch of fish. Sad that I didn't catch those. That was the end of today's video, guys. Hope you guys actually enjoyed that, because I sure did. That was one of the most fun videos for me to make. I caught a trout. Like, I just love fishing trout in rivers and stuff and creeks. It's just so hype. It's like you wait for such a long time and then you catch it. You're like, yes, yes, and you caught it. And also we saw a newt, which is super toxic, by the way. I touched it and stuff, and yeah, that was really cool experience. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy some other similar videos on my channel. There's some creek fishing videos and lake fishing videos and Okanagan and bass fishing. So yeah, hope you enjoy the next videos to come. And until then, subscribe. Also, smash the like button. And if you do subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so you get notified of every single upload I do. But until then, bye.